Imagine uncovering a hidden masterpiece buried beneath centuries of paint and secrecy. That's exactly what happened when art conservators at the Carnegie Museum of Art peeled back layers of history to reveal the true identity. Beneath the Victorian-era alterations lay a strikingly different visage, one with bold features and a presence that defied the soft, idealized beauty typical of its time. The discovery wasn't accidental. Louise Lippincott, the museum's former curator, had dismissed the painting as awful and insisted it warranted a second look. Baxter's expertise in both art history and chemistry proved pivotal. Using X-rays and chemical analysis, she identified hidden layers of paint and even tracked down the signature of Francis Leadham, a 19th-century restorer who had transferred the artwork from wood panel to canvas. But the story doesn't end there. Lippincott's detective work led her to a Viennese copy of the painting, which matched Isabella's distinctive hairstyle and attire. This revelation painted a vivid picture of the subject, a Medici princess who lived life on her own terms. Cosimo I, her father, doted on her, granting her freedoms unheard of for noblewomen. She hosted extravagant parties, flouted societal norms, and allegedly had a tempestuous affair with Troilo Orsini, her brother-in-law. Yet her fate was tragic. After her father's death in 1574, her brother Francesco ruled with less tolerance for her excesses. By 1576, Isabella was dead at 34. The official narrative claimed she died suddenly while washing her hair. But rumors swirled of a more sinister end, possibly at the hands of her husband. Seeking to marry his mistress, adding to the intrigue, the urn Isabella holds in the painting. Neither part of the original composition nor a Victorian edition. It bears a striking resemblance to the vessels used by Mary Magdalene in biblical art. Baxter and Lippincott speculated that Isabella herself might have requested this symbolic touch, a last-ditch effort to reframe her legacy. This is literally the bad girl seeing the light. Lippincott remarked, a poetic twist on a life defined by contradiction. Baxter's philosophy, however, is rooted in restraint. I'm not the artist, she insists. I'm the conservator. My job is to repair, not to reimagine. Her words underscore a critical debate in art restoration. Where do we draw the line between preservation and interpretation? Should conservators prioritize historical accuracy over aesthetic appeal? Or is there room for creative license when the past is shrouded in ambiguity? We'd love to hear your thoughts. Was Isabella's urn a genuine act of redemption or a posthumous attempt by others to sanitize her story? Drop your perspective in the comments below. For those fascinated by the science of art restoration, here's a curated list of resources to explore. How art conservators restore old paintings. http://www.openculture.com/2025-openculture.com. This is a list of resources to explore. 5-minute primer on Renaissance restoration. And the tale of a vandalized Rothko. https://www.openculture.com/watch the Tate Modern Restore Mark Rothko's vandalized painting Black on Maroon, HTML. Dive deeper into the world of art history with our free course on Italian Renaissance art. https://www.openculture.com/2015 Introduction to the Art of the Italian Renaissance, HTML.